recipe uses really simple and fresh ingredients. We got some jalapenos here we grew in the garden. Got several here. We need to use little baby ones here though, but that's okay. Cilantro, lime, got the garlic paste, kind of the cheat wrap, but that's okay. And then our green chilies. Okay, next up, we're gonna chop everything up and get it prepped. All right, now with the cilantro, you want to use every bit of it. Do not throw this away. It's full of nutrients, magnesium, all kinds of good stuff. Don't throw this away. Use it. It has lots of flavor. All right, we got our dip ready. It's gonna be really easy. We're just gonna put it on the smoker or right in the oven just like this. We're gonna aim for about 250, 300, and we expect to do about 3 hours, but largely we're gonna go off just appearance. We just want everything to get melted down, look good, smell good. It's a really easy one. Here, stick around, we're gonna show you how we do it. All right, we're just gonna do a little bit of charcoal. We don't need much heat, so just a little bit to carry it over for about 2-3 hours. Probably more than what we need. All right, we're going to be using a little bit of cherry wood for this one too, just a little bit. All right, we're going to put it on here just like this. Let that smoke, blow right over it. And we're just going to keep an eye on it. I don't think it'll take too long. Okay. It's looking pretty good, you guys. So what we're going to do at this point is we're going to mix everything up and then let it ride a little longer. It's looking really good, pretty tender in here. It smells amazing. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful corn goodness. All right, we're gonna let it ride maybe another hour, hour and a half. We got a little moisture right here. We're not gonna worry about that right now. We're gonna see if that kind of cooks off. It is absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Oh man, it smells pretty beautiful too. Oh yeah, look at that baby. Oh yeah, we did a good job. Did about maybe 2.5, 3 hours in total. We could have maybe let it go a little bit longer, but it was getting late, so we just wanted to take it off. It's still going to be delicious. You can get a little bark on there if you want. You can do it in the oven. This is a pretty versatile kind of dip over here. Go in here with our nice scoops. Oh, but we got to garnish it, right? We save a little bit of cilantro from the beginning so we can garnish it now. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful cilantro. All right, let's see how it is. Pretty sure it's going to be good. Let's see. Ooh. That's a little hot, but it is super, super good. It is like the perfect Mexican corn meets like a creamed corn. This one's super good. I bet it's going to be even better tomorrow. Here. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe for the next one.